So Brad, thanks for having a chat with me. I just wanted to ask you, because you're a financial planner, right? And one of my
Yes.
clients wants to know whether the program is suitable for financial planners and how you found it, because you've done the Getting to Yes Please cold calling workshop. So if you could just share what you got out of it and how it might be different from other sales training courses
Cool.
I've done in the past.
Yeah, for sure. So, first of all, the first thing that drew me to actually doing the course with you is I have engaged with quite a few sales coaches and things before, and what really drew me to you is the way that you wrapped it up in it's like a clearly outlined almost a program or course or roadmap to get to where one needs to be. So you're not, faffing around or fraying around the edges. It's a clear-cut path in order to get very specific objectives. So I think that there's a lot of noise around, especially in my industry, about what needs to be done.
Yeah.
In order, you make a phone call and it's like, all right, well, now what? And there's so many things coming at you from so many angles. And I've been in industry now for about 8 years, and I've tried to do my own scripts and whatnot. And when there's something that works, and then when there's somebody that works with you on it, and there's a script that actually and you can trust, it adds so much value. And so the thing is, what you've done here is for me, it's something that's adaptable. So it's something that works, but you adapt it to yourself in terms of what works for you and how you operate. And the most important thing to me about all of it actually was, I would consider myself somebody who likes or enjoys, when I look at myself at the end of life, I want to look back and say it's the relationships that meant something to me. And what rung through in your course was the heart connection. So you can do whatever you want. You can talk to people, you can sell, you can market, you do whatever you want. But if you don't have that heart connection, and we just forget that, and that is like what your course is centered around. And it's like it's there, but it's centered around that. And I think that's a fundamental point that a lot of people miss.
Yeah.
So I really appreciated that.
Okay. Yeah. I think also because people are making decisions really with their hearts and then post-rationalizing with their head. And maybe, this is a course that really brings that in instead of trying to manipulate people.
Yes, it's a meeting of minds. Yeah.
It's a meeting of minds. Okay, great. And tell me, how do you think that it's going to help you or has helped you in your calls with clients?
So, yeah. So for me, I think the idea is that when I phone people, I'm not really 100% sure what to say myself, because every person is different. But if I've got something to use, I've got it. I can use certain variations of it whenever I need to, and I know that it's something that works. I don't have to think about, okay, is this actually the right thing that I'm saying? I know it's trusted, and you there to have actually taken me through it. So it's something that rather than toss a coin and say, is it going to work? It's like, it's trusted. No, it will work. It's just a matter of whether you do it like you're supposed to, and what that takes is it just takes a little bit of practice, so yeah. And
then you can kind of adapt it to each person based on what they say to you, but what
exactly
to say when. Yeah,
exactly. And also adapt it to the various things that you want and that you do, so in other words, I might want to do that with that client, or I might want to do that with that client, so I can adapt it to that. And then also I can adapt it according to the person as well. Yeah.
Okay, great. And would you recommend it to other financial planners?
100%. 100%. I honestly, I haven't found something that has been as concise and, let's say, relevant as this. There's a lot of other things that try to package in a whole bunch of things that are not relevant. But what you're doing here is it's really driving home the point of what we need to do as financial advisors. Not that we are not purely sales individuals. We have a fiduciary role for our clients, and therein, if you don't connect through the heart, you're not, you get the relationship from the beginning isn't going to start out right. And so that's from an interpersonal level, I think you're starting out from the right point in your course. That to me is a fundamental basis of why I would recommend it.
Getting the structure as well.
Yeah. No, exactly, as I mentioned in the beginning. Yeah.
All right, thanks a lot, Brad.
No, cool, awesome.
You get from it. Thanks a lot, eh? Let me just
cool.
end here.